Eaton offers a wide variety of wiring devices and connectivity tools that provide reliable, efficient, and safe power management for your space. Let's take a look at how to configure and download free CAD models of those products from Eaton's website. From the homepage, go to Products and select Wiring Devices and Connectivity. Scroll down to the section called Wiring Devices Helpful Links. Under CAD Selectors, choose the color-coded locking devices. This opens the configurator window. On the left, you can customize the product to match your application, while the configurator generates an accurate 3D model of the product. On the right, you see an interactive 3D preview of the product, which you can rotate and zoom within the 3D viewer to see critical dimensions and up-close details. When you're happy with the product, click Generate CAD, and then click Add Formats. Here you can browse from over 100 file formats and versions, so you get a file that works in your CAD software. You can also choose a file format by category, or by typing the name of the CAD system into the search bar. Next, click Start Generation, and your CAD model will be ready to download within minutes. The configurator also lets you generate a 3D PDF datasheet. These files include an interactive 3D viewer, product specs, 2D dimension drawings, and fillable form fields. This is great for those who need to access the product information but don't need a large CAD file. For more efficient and reliable solutions, go to eaton.com and visit partsolutions.com to learn more about online solutions for industrial manufacturers.